So this morning, guys, my friend called me and he said that he has trouble to start his vehicle. And I said that I will come and see what happened. And he also mentioned that 3 months ago, he has the same problem. He parked the car, everything was fine. And when he tried to start, and as you can see, guys, I'm in his vehicle right now. I'm trying to start the car. There is no reaction. The battery is fully dead, and you can hear that noise. That means that the battery is nothing wrong with your car. Your battery is simply dead. So you need to be making sure that you can replace. But and meanwhile, he cannot start the car and go to the store to replace the battery. Usually, guys, I always carry two things in the car, but in this video, I'm going to show you what I carry in my car in case this has happened. And this has happened so many times. Even when I'm at the test center and somebody needs the boost, you don't need the cables. This is the best solution. That's what I carry in my car, NOCO GB40. I'm gonna show you how it looks like, and just before we getting into the video, and I'm gonna show you step by step how easy it is to start the car if you have this product. This is what it is. It's very small and compacty. And also, guys, I bought something before that was from Amazon, and the battery, after the first time I was trying to charge the battery, and it's just explodes. So it's very dangerous. Make sure you buying a good product. So this video is not sponsored by NOCO GB, like the Booster Plus. It's not sponsored. I just want to help to you guys. We're getting into the winter time, and you have to be safe. And one of the things that is the battery, right? The car can be not broke, but the battery sometimes, because we have a different weather conditions. We have winter, we have summer, so the battery doesn't hold too long. Like, for example, I asked when does he replace the battery. He said that he replaced this battery in his car 5 years ago, and now he just simply, as you can see, I'm in the car trying to start. Nothing. Is just do this noise, and that's about it. So this product, it comes with the cable. So this battery, you need to charge one time. I already used probably 5 times, and I help also to my driving instructors that they had an issue, and after that they just went and they bought this product just in case. And you have these cables. I'm gonna show you now step by step how easy it is to start the car, and you don't need to wait for somebody, the tow truck or somebody, to come if you have this in your car. It's very compacty, it doesn't take space. So these two things, and that's it. That's what you need. So now, guys, we're gonna plug in to see how easy it is to do that. And anyone can do it by yourself. So we have red and black cable. That's what we need to connect here. This is the red will be the plus. So you just need to unplug this. And as you can see, guys, the battery is 2019. That's what I think, 2019. So that's about 5 years, as my friend mentioned that. What you have to do is very simple steps. You just plug in like this, and the other one goes over here. It's done. You don't need to do anything extra. Now, as you can see, the NOCO Boost Plus. So there is another boost if I need. I think that I need. So if I need anything extra, I never use that because I think that all the cars can start without that. But this is a V6 engine, so it's much bigger than mine. So guys, let's see how it starts. We're gonna be doing these steps together. I press the button. I wait until it's flashing, as you can see. Now it's in the flashing, and I don't know if you hear there is a noise. That means that the battery is ready. If I turn on this, probably it will boost even more, so the car will start much easier. Also, guys, you have here the flashing light. So that flashing light, in case, so can you see here, guys? So in case you at night and you want to use that, it's also, you can use as a flashing light. And it's also, I think it's changing the lights accordingly. So maybe you are in emergency and your car completely dead, the battery completely dead, so you cannot put any lights. Probably that will help you if you need it for emergency too. Everything is set up here. We're gonna go now inside and I'm gonna start the car, and you can see, guys, so nothing else, you don't need a mechanic for that. So let's go into the car and see if the car will start. Okay, I'm inside his vehicle. Let's see. I'm gonna press the brake and I'm gonna start the car. And the car starts like without any problem. So this small thing, how important to keep in the car. You don't need to wait for the tow truck. You don't need to wait for anybody to help you. If you have this product in your car, you're safe. Especially now the winter is coming and it's going to be colder and the car will need more power to start. So if your battery is slightly weak, this is going to be the solution for you, and you don't need to wait for anybody for help. My friend also said that right away when he saw how easy it's to start, he said that he will purchase this battery. Now guys, I'm gonna go outside and simply unplug this product, and I will show you how easy it is to do that. So let's get out and just go to the for the battery. So simply turn it off. Don't need to do anything extra. Unplug, done. The small product like this can help you to save time. And guys, if you would like to buy this product, I really appreciate if you're gonna use my link, and the link will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Stay safe on the road, and I will see you in my next video.